Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to share you an update that Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, just released. And it says Golden Nugget Online Gaming wins online sports betting license in Virginia. GNOG announced today that it has won one of the few coveted online sports gaming licenses to be awarded in Virginia and has been granted a temporary permit to commence online sports wagering in the state of Virginia. The company now has market access in 10 states, legislation and regulatory approvals permitting. Thomas Winter, the president of GNOG, stated, "We thank the Virginia Lottery for the opportunity to expand our online business into the Commonwealth of Virginia. Together with our SWAM certified equity partner, Virginia Sports Technology Group, we are excited to announce that GNOG will not only be providing Virginians with a great mobile sportsbook, we will be proudly sharing our revenues with Virginia's historically black colleges and universities." Winter added, "We will be working hand in hand with the regulators over the next couple of months to complete all of the required and standard platform testing so that we'll be in a position to start taking bets this summer." Fantastic news. So this is about GNOG. For those of you who do not know what GNOG is, Golden Nugget Online Gaming is a leading online gaming company that is considered a market leader by its peers and was first to bring the live dealer and live casino floor to the United States online gaming market. GNOG was the past recipient of 15 eGaming Review North America awards, including the coveted Operator of the Year in the year 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020. So for those of you who are not familiar with GNOG, it's online casinos, and they're a major player. They were this was a SPAC play, reverse merger. They were formerly LCA, now known as GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. So big news for us, guys. This is going to push us up even higher. So those of you who are still in and have been waiting for it to take off, the patience is starting to pay. So let's take a look at the charts, see what they're telling us. It probably won't look too different from what we talked about yesterday in my other video, but we'll see kind of where it's heading for today. Alright guys, so I'm checking out the 180-day 4-hour, and we just got a very strong buy signal here, and we've already hit 1847 pre-market. And one thing to consider though, if you look here guys, we are in overvalued territory. So at some point I expect that we're going to have a pullback. I don't know how big of a pullback it's going to be, but I would assume that people who got in here at this level is going to eventually take profits. I'm thinking maybe around the $20 mark, or maybe even around here they'll start slowly taking profits, taking that off the table before we move higher to the upside. So I honestly I feel like we're going to hit 20 to 21 bucks this week now off of that news. And don't forget that Thomas Winter, the president's going to be on the at 9 o'clock Eastern time. He's going to be talking for on the Bank of America virtual field trip that they got invited to. They're going to be talking this morning. Another catalyst, guys, earnings are coming out very soon. That's going to be something else that's going to propel us even higher. So just keep in mind, guys, we are in overvalued territory. So eventually, like I said, we're going to see a pullback. Okay, we don't know when that's going to happen. We don't know how big it's going to be, but guys, all the catalysts coming out. Earnings is coming out soon. We have these PR releases coming out every couple of days. So I'm thinking, if you're not in this stock yet, wait for a slight pullback. Don't chase today. And if you are in, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you at 20, 25, maybe 30 or beyond. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, comment below, and don't forget your free stocks with Webull, link in the description below. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you next time.